Now what this happens is that, okay, dot, I want to have the class list. Okay, so the toggle it. It's going to be toggle it. Now the moment I click on it, what I want to happen, I want it to switch sides, to change to something else. So I want to change to another icon, which is the times icon. But simply what I just need to do is just, if you check it here, what we have here is var bars. That's the name of the icon, the menu icon. So we just need to change it to something else. So I'm going to use var time. Yeah, if you check these times, if you check it out in the fontcustom.com, and you check for time, you're going to see it's the cancel menu. So that's that. So once I do that, the next thing I want to do is the menu as well. The menu.class. Yeah, to toggle as well. Toggle. I want it to toggle to active. Now this active right now is yet to be created, right? I haven't created this in my CSS, which is what I'm going to do right away right now. So here now I'm going to have the menu dot active. So to change the display to block. Okay, so let's see what happened. Once I click on this, oh, okay, nothing happened. Like, all right, okay. What could that be? Oh, I'm yet to link the JavaScript to my index of HTML. So simply just come down here. Yeah, below my body, inside my body, and I have my script tag. Okay, so the source is going to be menu.js. So okay, so when I click on it now, this is what happened when I click on it, which is not still perfect completely. Not perfect completely. So let me make it perfect. I need to start the A, yeah, inside this media as well. So let's do that. So the menu. So this time around, the display should be block, not flex. And let's have a padding. Let's make it a padding top, 20 pixel. Okay, so let's quickly just do the over. Definitely it's going to have the over as well. The border, that should be none. Okay, so this is what we get, but still not perfect enough. So the menu here needs to have a position. Let's work on the position here for the menu. So let's have a position of absolute. So right now, I guess my network is kind of acting up right now. That's why this icon is not really showing its true color. Yeah, but the moment I click on it, you can see it shows me the menu, and the other icon is one showing. I believe if you try it out, you're gonna see the icon showing on your own end. Yeah, and the reason why this is happening is because if you check my code here, I'm referring to a link on the cloud, right? So it's accessing those icons from the cloud, and my network is kind of acting up right now. I guess that is why this thing is happening. And you can see it still keep on loading, so God knows when it's going to stop. But that's how it is. Now the next thing I want us to work into is that we've achieved this menu right now. You can see it makes sense. And the moment I click on it, the background is blurry to focus on the menu itself. So that's about that. So now to wrap it up, I'm going to have a text. I'm going to have a text here, a welcome text. So let me quickly do that. That's going to happen after the header. So I'm going to use the main tag. Okay, so I need a paragraph, which I don't really have a content I want to use, but I'm going to use the default text that they will provide for us. So, just give me a default title, should I say? So, all right, okay. So now I have it here. So I need to style it. So moving back to the CSS. So the height I want to use, I'm going to calculate the height. Remember I use 100 VH for the entire height, right? So what I want to do is that I want to subtract from that height. So I'm going to use the calculator. So from 100 VH, I want to minus 100 VX from it. So that's all the magic. And I need a flex. Okay, so here I have it. The next thing I want to do is I want to style it to make it look more kind of catchy, which is that is home, right? I've styled my container. I want to style it home right now. So I'm going to talk about the maximum width. So I want this not to pass 700 pixels. Like it can be within 300, 200, but you don't pass 700 pixels. That's what I'm doing here. It's different from me just measuring width. Yeah. Okay. All right. So we have it here. Yeah. The next thing I want to start is the H1 and as well the paragraph. Yeah. So let's just do that before we check it out again. Okay, paragraph. Okay, I don't want it to be white. I don't want it to be black. So I'm gonna work on probably the gray effect where I actually have a color set for this. So you might want to use this color as well if you want to have the same result as mine. Okay, so here we have it. All right, and now if I try the responsiveness of this again, you get to see it's kind of responsive, right? Yeah. So, but the moment I click on this, it's kind of on it, it's not really blending together, right? The welcome to the world version is coming out, the menu is kind of, yeah. So to solve that, so in my CSS, I want to call, which is the media area. I want to call on the container. So this time around, I want to apply a CSS attached to it, which is I'm going to call active. So I want it to be the display. Display should be inherit. Okay. So I'm going to move down to my JavaScript and perspective. So here I want to say let body, same process. So time around I'm styling the container. Okay, calling on container. So I'll come here and apply the body to toggle. Okay. So to toggle the active. Right. So okay, it's not really still getting it. Okay, let me it's active. Okay, let me check out something. Oh, okay. I'm meant to call on position, not display. Position. My bad. Position. Okay, so let's check it out. All right, so yeah, finally, before we end the video, the menu actually comes back up finally. So yeah, you can see that. So all right, we have it. So every of the link I make use of in this video, I'm going to have them in the description so you can easily have access. And as well, I'm going to probably share my code out and drop the link as well so you can easily copy the code and apply it. All right. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe and keep coding. Yeah. Bye.